All right, today we are digging into a platform that's really shaking up how fiber optic engineering projects are handled. It's called Zonedge, and it's all built around this powerful idea that's at the core of a new way of working, the digital twin. So, if you're in an engineering firm, I bet this scene sounds familiar. You've got your design team living in AutoCAD, the project managers are trying to tame these giant Excel spreadsheets, and you've got critical photos from the field stuck on some technician's phone. All that separation, it's a huge, often invisible, drag on your projects. And that brings us right to the main problem Zonedge is built to solve. We're talking about the disconnected workflow that, let's be honest, has been the standard for engineering projects for decades. You see, when all your critical data lives in different places, it's really not a question of if things are going to go wrong. It's a question of when. Just imagine you get to the final stretch of a huge project, and then you discover the fiber counts in your design files don't line up with the splicing tables. It's an absolute nightmare of delays and, really expensive rework. So to fix this, Zonedge brings a pretty fundamental shift in how you even think about the work. It's the massive difference between just drawing a network and actually designing one. And right at the heart of that shift is the digital twin. Now, this isn't just some tech buzzword. It's a living, breathing, intelligent model of your actual network. So when you place a cable in Zonedge, it's not just a line. No, it's an object that knows it's a 144 fiber Corning cable. It knows its specific technical properties, its exact diameter. It has real intelligence built right in. And the difference is it's night and day. The old way is static, right? It's just lines on a layer. The Zonedge way is dynamic. You're working with these intelligent objects that get checked and validated in real time. And it's all unified in one database. You're not just drawing a picture anymore, you're building a truly functional model. Here's the perfect way to think about it. Traditional CAD? That's like drawing a really beautiful picture of a car. Zonedge, on the other hand, is like building a fully functional driving simulator, where every single part knows what it is and interacts based on real-world rules. Okay, so what does this new philosophy actually look like in practice? Let's walk through how Zonedge completely transforms a typical project, from the very beginning to the very end. First, it's important to get that Zonedge is a whole platform, not just one app. You've got Zonedge GIS, which is the main design hub for your engineers. Then there's Zonedge Web, a super handy portal for managers and clients to track everything. And finally, you have Zonedge Terrain, the mobile app that connects your field teams directly to the project's single source of truth. This unified platform just smooths out the whole project. So in the first week or two, your engineers can rapidly sketch out the whole network architecture using templates. Then your field teams are out there surveying, and that data instantly syncs back to the office. Revisions that used to take days, now they're done in a few clicks. You can track permits visually on the map, and here's the best part. When the project's finished, your as-built plans are already done, generated automatically from that living model. And that real-time connection is a total game changer. I mean, think about it. A field tech discovers a blocked conduit. Instead of that info getting lost in some end-of-day report, your design team knows about it instantly. They can adjust the plan right then and there. That's a level of agility that just wasn't possible before. All this speed and efficiency, it doesn't just make your life easier. It gives your entire firm a powerful new competitive edge. The return on investment here is so clear. You're delivering projects faster and on time. You're eliminating that expensive rework from design mistakes. You get to automate all that tedious client reporting and documentation. You give everyone, clients, stakeholders, total transparency. And maybe most importantly, you get back all those billable hours that used to just disappear into manual tasks. Let me give you a number that really brings this home. 40%. Firms using Zonedge are spending up to 40% less time just in the design phase. I mean, just imagine what your team could do with all that extra time. It's a massive boost in efficiency, all thanks to automated tools and templates. So, you have to ask yourself this question the next time you're bidding on a project. Who's going to impress the client more?
The firm that shows up with a bunch of static PowerPoint slides, or the one that can pull up a live interactive digital twin of the entire proposed project? It literally becomes a sales tool. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A whole new system? That sounds like a huge, complicated transition. But Zonedge was actually designed to make adoption incredibly simple. You see, Zonedge doesn't make you throw everything away and start from scratch. Not at all. It's built to take all your existing assets, your AutoCAD drawings, your Excel files, your GPS data, and pull them all together, transforming them into that single, functional digital twin. It all really comes down to these three pillars. It starts with intelligent design, using palettes that are based on real-world equipment. That design is backed up by real-time validation because the system is constantly checking your work against engineering rules. And it all comes together with complete field office integration, creating that one single source of truth for the entire team. By bringing your entire workflow together, Zonedge gives you the power to not just build networks more efficiently, but to truly innovate. This is so much more than a new tool. It's a completely new way of engineering. It's time to start designing, operating, and innovating your fiber optic network today.